Pioneering electric aviation here in Australia is founder and CEO of FlyOnE, Korum. Korum, what led you to this path?
There's, electric propulsion and electric transport is a booming industry, as we know. I looked around for opportunities in the sector. Originally my attention was drawn to ground transport and the electrification, but a few places have got that handled already. Mm-hmm. So rather than trying to compete in that difficult space, I looked a little broader and found a big opportunity in aviation. Particularly in Australia, there weren't many operators pursuing the electrification of aviation. So we started working quite a few years ago now. We've been about 4 years of work developing this industry in Australia, introducing new aircraft, also developing the support and regulatory background, a lot of work in the background to make sure that as the aircraft roll out, there's a lot of support and regulatory framework to allow them to enter operation. We've got quite a few aircraft operating now in multiple states in Australia, and we've flown over 1,000 electric flights. We've flown over 1,300 hours of electric flight and flown over 180,000 kilometres of electric flight in Australia.
I mean, it sounds all incredibly amazing, but expensive.
Yes, well, yes, would you believe planes are expensive? Yeah, that's so a big part of our challenge is early on I was very self-funded, and I'm still the biggest investor in the business, but we've been able to unlock a lot of community support and a lot of industry support as well with a few key investors, and a big part of making that happen is a company we work very closely with, which is Growth Advisory and Capital in Perth, Western Australia. I'm just going to shorten that to GAC because it's easier to say.
Yep.
So GAC have been it's been an important part of the process. It helped us unlock a lot of processes to gain investment and manage the investment ongoing, so that we've been able to amplify all of the early work we've done and expand on that. And GAC are helping us now with next stage investment processes as well. And without them, it would have been a much harder struggle, and we wouldn't have been able to grow as much as we have. So we're very appreciative of all the work they've done and looking forward to growing more with them in the future.
Well, best of luck for the future. It sounds so exciting. And thank you so much for coming out and supporting Everything Electric Live as well.
Oh my God, it's amazing to be here for the first time, and we hope to have an aircraft at the show next time, at the next show, and really have a presence here. So thank you so much, Imogen.
Thank you.
See you again soon.